So Nogla wasn't in that.
But he's a part of that crew.
He's Irish.
Oh.
And he don't speak English too good. So it says 6.4 million views.
Okay. But you're doing something right.
Charmander, I use you.
No, it's I choose you, not I use you.
Starts out with a Pokemon joke.
Charmander, I abuse you.
Yes, you do.
Nogla.
Okay.
Still here? I think he fell asleep. What a way to come back. What happened to Nogla? I think he fell asleep.
Where's the ladder? Oh boy! I'm gonna win! No, you're not. I'm next to the penis with a mouth. A penis with loads of teeth in the mouth. Oh yeah, right here.
You know.
I'm next to the yeah.
Everyone knows that down the shore.
Insect cheese puff and the penis.
Oh, there he is.
Fucking my nugget.
What was that?
Fucking murder. Sorry.
You're halfway to the ground. You look like a pylon.
I'm like one of those cones you put in the road. What do you say?
Pylon is.
Oh, man, that's what a pylon is. Pylon? I'm about as good as looking as something Tatum. What's his name?
Channing.
There's not Tanning Tatum.
Channing, you fuck.
Oh, I thought you said tanning.
What the hell was that? This tunnel is haunted. Do you hear that?
Tyler!
Why not vote
This is it.
More try. This is your last
More
one.
try.
Oh.
Did you smack him off?
I didn't touch him!
Yeah.
You're not listening.
Isn't that the doctor on?
Imagine spitting in this kind of atmosphere. Go really far. Yeah, like hocking a dookie.
A loogie.
Same thing.
Hakadookie!
Dropping a deuce or a dookie.
Life scenario, like
I had it.
goes around the corner and then spits a big fat one on the ground. He's like, what did you just do? He goes, oh, I hawked a dookie over there.
No,
What did you do?
He's at the dentist.
Oh, I just hawked a dookie in your sink. Fucking fuck.
Hocking a loogie, is it?
Loogie.
Loogie.
A ruby.
The plot is, alright, we went on DAITHI De Planet, the new Earth. And it's but it's also like the moon. So but when we came here, there were zombies, and we gotta get rid of them before everyone else comes along.
Right.
And they get dookied on.
Yeah, and then you destroy the planet with a big hawk dookie.
A big hawk a dookie.
Oh man, that guy came up like MJ.
What?
Just find a house so I can get cats.
He's got his fucking priorities in check. I'm gonna get a house so I can have cats. Ouch, Charlie!
Boy, by now,
Charlie bit me.
busy thinking you then.
I was too busy thinking it in. Jesus.
All about fish and chicken, you know what I mean?
You scoot back, I'll be over here for a
Remember, we
second.
do YouTube for the fans.
Yeah, but we don't even know how to do the power without that fucking glitch.
Yeah, I had to put you here.
What?
You heard him.
Pat it over there.
Swap bags, pick me up. I'm gonna die, you know.
It's round one.
It doesn't matter. I lose stuff. It's going on.
Thanks, guy.
I love that sound effect.
I'm gonna make you look like stupid guys.
Good one. Nailed it.
Totally.
Oh, yellow crate. Is it you? Is it you? Are you that yellow crate?
He's using the prop.
Is it Quake?
Why do you sound
sound like you have a mental disability, dog.
You did, Quay?
As he does.
Is this Quay? You still a yellow Quay? You made a hint. What are you? Is this red Quay?
Oh my god, please. Someone punch him in the face.
My God, he's a bin. He's not a Quay anymore.
I'm not a bin. He's not a bin.
That's technically a bin.
No, it's not.
Technically.
Is it?
The trash bag.
No,
Not really.
absolutely not.
Where you put rubbish? That's what a bin is for. Do you have a reaction to or a reaction to that reaction of her reacting?
Yeah.
Trees I can look at now. Oh, whoa, would you what?
Oh, the wall.
Boys, this town is infested with zombies. We gotta kill them. We gotta clean them out, get to the safe house, right, boys?
Alright,
You
boys.
got any lobster?
Mm-hmm.
Just the blankest expression on his face. Have you heard a single
Those
thing
are
that
tentacles.
I said, sir?
Did you turn off your hearing aid?
Alright, Noga, I got a sniper rifle. Can I join your clan?
Yeah, you can join my clan. These are the timbers.
Fuck off, Shane.
There's our very timbers.
Scooting.
Deserves me timbers are.
Look at this shit, man. I'm Montreal.
He's Montreal.
Oh, my ass is sore. Also sweaty.
We can't help that.
Week off.
Something about mom spaghetti.
On cue, bitch. On cue. Mom spaghetti. The story continues from the previous chapters. You are your fishing buddies? Oh, fuck it. I read that one wrong.
And
The scientist said the current
You
subject
are your
was
fishing buddies.
quarantine.
Oh no. Are we
Quarantine.
Are we in quarantine right now, babe?
quarantine?
I don't want
There's
to pull
time.
your finger. I want to figure out.
Figure out. I want your finger out of everything. Please keep your finger out of everything.
Most convincing zombie ever.
Hey,
Slither like a gummy worm.
What?
Oh, you never seen
Like
that?
a gummy worm.
I've never seen a moving gummy worm. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, Douglas. Never seen that. You ever seen that? Explain that.
Just gonna hide and let you out, guys. Yeah.
Explain that.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let you guys know.
Why is that clip?
What?
Oh my god.
I don't know, he's raging.
I clicked it so many times, I think my mouse broke.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to go down, elevator, you down! It's gonna catch it.
I don't see him.
Oh, no, this sounded like a fucking dog.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
We're ready. We
Got
can
some
protect
new.
this shovel like it's our together child. Go.
Together, child.
It's our together
No fucking sense.
Love child.
Well, there was a guy in that room, and now there's not a guy in and now it's closed.
Where are you?
Great recap of what happened.
Oh, hey, guys, open over there. The thing that was.
Speak English, man.
Something's crawling.
Open up the door that was locked in the stairwell.
There you go. I know there's a guy here. He was distracting me, and there's a little red K, and he just kicked it. Right.
There's like a half a guy there.
Can you use your words, please?
Whoa, that guy started taking his shit. Whoa, look at all the blood.
It's
I
everywhere.
thought he found something cool, but no, just wow, look at all the blood. Stop it. You're in my personal space. I just came back from a baseball game. That's why I have a baseball bat. You were asking that earlier, Tyler.
Were you watching it?
Well, I was actively involved. I'm actually the swinger for the LA Lakers.
The swinger.
For the LA Lakers? Okay.
Swinger for the what?
LA Lakers?
Try again.
There are so many things wrong with what you just said.
Remember, he's only been in America
I
for
just
about-
got back from a baseball game. Oh yeah, were you watching it? No, I'm the swinger for the Lakers. First of of all, swinger, like, that's not.
Wasn't it Magic
that's-
Johnson?
Made so many touchdowns.
Yes.
You guys just
Magic
touchdown
Johnson.
had that game for the Lakers.
Vegas collectors are going to be doing their rounds soon. Hurry up and make them take all over the whole game.
What?
What?
What was that?
I am Darth Vader. If you did not know, that's my name. Hi, how are you?
Wait, where are
What's
you?
your
Where are
name?
you? Say it again.
Darth Vader.
Say it slowly.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
Yes. Darth Vader.
Yes.
Darth Vader.
Dark. Dark Vader.
Yeah.
What'd you say, girl?
And then the winner. Yeah. It's two cheeseburgers.
Yes. All right. Let's do this. All right.
Oh, you're not exactly easy to fucking see those.
Over here.
Maybe if you held that gun with two hands, you'd be able to hit it.
You shooting plankton?
You go down.
Plankton shown to scale?
Gmod hide and seek. You could be anything big or small, and the hunters are the ones trying to seek out.
Trying to scare him. He's
I'm just feeling it home. Just jump in it. Okay, made it. I wasn't so hard.
Now be careful. Be careful. I think he shoots fireballs in this one.
Nope. Where did you go? Where did you
I
go?
teleported and like 9 creepers gangbanged me, man. I shit you not. Their hands were ready to grope me. I bought.
It doesn't matter. It's got.
It didn't matter when I was doing it.
Yeah, because you added like 9 different words. You go, here in my garage, I just bought myself a brand new Lamborghini.
No, it's Hollywood Hills. He says Hollywood Hills too.
You look fucking stupid.
Nice hat, man.
Thanks. It's called a bowler hat. Well, I call it a baller hat.
Hat.
Oh, a baller hat.
Thanks. Nice hat. Thanks. I've got Ebola.
Do you guys think I'll have enough time to get some yogurt and banana?
No, you gotta choose one.
All right, I'm gonna choose the yogurt then.
What the fuck was that?
Did you say LeBron James? LeBron James!
James.
How come I can't use his pistol? Way all nice. I mean,
All white.
Yes.
Yeah, great for shit.
If there's no chapter, my video is going to end with, there was no next chapter.
Shitty yellow font. Font? Font.
Locked.
Font.
Locked.
I just thought of something.